Looking for an adults-only escape in Jamaica? This is the Hyatt Zilara Rose Hall Montego Bay, boasting 300-plus rooms and suites, including this full room tour of our swim-out suite from May 2025. Once the site of a former Ritz-Carlton, it still carries the legacy of space and elegance at this hotel. At nearly 600 square feet, these rooms are some of the largest in the Caribbean. You'll love the generous layout, marble finishes, and direct access from your patio right into the semi-private plunge pool. The Zilara location is situated immediately adjacent to the Hyatt Ziva, a family-friendly property, a perfect resort choice for a multi-generational family trip or destination wedding. With full access to neighboring family-friendly Ziva, you'll have more restaurants, more bars, and more choices included. For personalized, all-inclusive resort recommendations tailored to your travel style, email us at travel@princeadventures.com. Big news! This resort is about to get even better. Once Playa Hotels' brand sale to Hyatt is finalized, renovations are planned to refresh these spacious suites, making a great resort even more luxurious. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more resort tours and travel inspiration.